Hello. So today I'm going to be talking about these Dr. P.H. Martin's Bombay India ink. I got this on sale. It was actually in the clearance. It looks like some of these are leaky. Wait, it feels like it's on the outside. But anyways, I've got it. There's regular, if you can see that, 55.85, and the sale price or whatever I got for $29.99. I figured out, try it out. I've never tried these Dr. Martens things before, and it literally came in this exactly like this, like painted. So I don't know. It looks like they're all in here though. So I don't think we have a leaker on the inside. So let's open it up. Wow. Yeah, no, it's just on the outside. So maybe during shipping or something, it leaked from another container and that's why it was on sale. I don't really know. I'm not clear on why it is like that. But we have yellow. It comes with yellow ochre, bright red, red, black, violet, magenta, Van Dyke brown. What's this one? Just brown, grass green, green, and then teal. And apparently these are supposed to be able to be used as watercolor. Here, oh my goodness, it's like all taped up. Let me see. I'm just getting scissors. Let me just get my scissors because I don't. There. All right, so on here, yeah, I can use it as watercolor and also calligraphy pens, airbrush, technical pens. It's apparently light fast, waterproof, and acid-free, non-toxic. So, yeah, I don't know. I think these are, I don't know. We're going to give them a try anyways. And I'm going to quickly draw up some things on watercolor paper, and I will get back to you in a minute. We're going to do a little voiceover when I'm doing the painting. So I will see you guys in a sec. Okay, bye.
All right, so here I am. I've already drawn up my leaf design, and if you follow me over on Instagram, you'll see that it's very much inspired by sketchbook work that I have posted up there. It's just some fall leaves, and I thought, you know what, the colors would be perfect for this. This is I'm using the ink like watercolor, so I should have no problem, recreating that sketchbook art piece. And I was right. I really love how this one turned out. I feel like there's really not a lot wrong with these inks, and I'm still not entirely sure why they were on sale for such a reduced price. I did find though that the brown ink, like the brown one that I use in this, was a little tiny bit like chunky. Like I should have just like mixed it up more before I used it in the artwork. But oh my goodness, I mean, these are so fantastic, and they're very translucent. They're not opaque at all. I can definitely see myself using these inks in the future. I absolutely love them. I can't wait to see what else I can use them on. I'm going to have to do a little research though, because in all honesty, this is the very first time that I've used these, and I would love to see how it is if I do some line work with them and then kind of go over with some actual watercolor. Like I think that would be a lot of fun to explore with this medium. But for today, see, here's the brown I'm putting down, and it's a little bit it's a little bit chunky at the beginning, but then I figure it out, like I just mixed it up a little bit more with my paintbrush and it went on so much smoother. And I was so surprised at, like, it really is translucent. Even the brown, you can kind of see a little bit of the lines that I drew for guiding. But yeah, definitely want to practice some more, figure out some more with these inks. Again, they are pretty fantastic. I've never played with these before. But I definitely plan on making tons more projects with them because I was very satisfied with these. So I'm really happy that I found these, and it's kind of like a happy accident that I found them. So yeah, this is the final artwork, and I hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Yeah, I try and bring you guys all kinds of new artworks every week. And so I'll talk to you guys next time. And yeah, bye for now.